In this video, I will quickly show you how to deploy a website on Vercel and get your project online. First, make sure your website is ready and stored in a GitHub repository. Next, go to the Vercel website and sign into your account using GitHub, Google, or email. Then click the New Project button to create a new deployment. After that, select the repository where your website is located. Vercel usually detects the project settings automatically, including HTML, React, Next.js, or other frameworks. Then click Deploy to start the process. Vercel will install dependencies, build the project, and publish the website automatically. After a few seconds, the platform will generate a public link where your website will be available online. Whenever you update your GitHub repository, Vercel can automatically create a new deployment. This makes updating your website very easy. And that's it. Now you know how to deploy a website on Vercel easily. Save this video so you can check